Hello guys, I hope you're all fine. This is Shadowhunter here with a brand new video of my new series How To Tutorials Roblox Studio. So, I was making a game in which I needed an AFK which gives us game currency when we stand within the AFK area. I was feeling really lazy to do it myself, so I went to YouTube, which made me scroll and scroll and scroll and scroll.
Boring!
I couldn't find a single video showing exactly how to make it. All the videos there were related to AFK name tags and irrelevant stuff, so I decided to make my own and also to help you guys at the same time. So without further waiting, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so first of all what we're gonna do is that we're gonna open home and we're gonna make a part. Alright, because why? Because first of all we'll make an AFK region, an AFK area in which when the players come we will get the currency every per unit time which we want to set it. Alright, so let's make a part. First of all we're gonna declare the part. Okay, so local AFK, we can call it whatever we want. Local AFK part, I'll call it AFK part for now, equals to script.Parent. Okay, alright, the next thing we're gonna do is that we're gonna make a while loop. Alright, we're gonna set a loop, and in that loop we're gonna define the time period for which we will get the money. For example, first of all we'll declare the loop while, okay, while task.wait, and in okay, wait 1 minute, do, okay, and in this task.wait we will set the time after which we want our players to get money. Okay, now for this example I'll set to 10 seconds. All right, so our after each 10 seconds I'm gonna give my players $1, okay, the currency. Okay, so the next thing what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna declare a for loop. All right, and because why for loop? For loop, I'll use the for loop to run for each player in the AFK grind area. Okay, and what we're also gonna do is that we're gonna use a built-in function that's called workspace GetPartsInPart. Okay, and what this does is that, look, the part, a part is a parameter, the part whose volume is to be checked against other parts, and we will put inside here AFK part. Okay, now, and what we're gonna do is that we're gonna loop it in a count control loop, that is our for loop. All right, so let's do for I, okay, touch part in workspace, uh, and we're gonna use the built-in loop get parts in part and the AFK part. All right, this AFK part. Okay, so what this will do is that it will run for every player in the AFK part. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is that okay, listen, so there's a technicality. All right, when we use this for loop and this built-in function, what this built-in function does, for loop does, that I is the index of the value and touch part is the part that is present inside the AFK part. Okay, and it will run for every touch part. And the problem here comes is that for when it will run for every touch part, the touch part will also include some other parts. For example, head, for example, torso, for example, humanoid root part. All right, it will run for each part, so we don't want that to happen, because if that will happen, what will happen is that it will give us like R16, it will give us 16 times the money in 10 seconds. Okay, so we only want it to run once for each player. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna make a condition, we're gonna use a condition which will say if TouchPart.Name equals to humanoid root part. All right, and then we are just checking equals to, right, we're just checking this, that if our touchPart.Name is humanoid root part, because the humanoid root part will come only once in this loop, okay, for each player. All right, so if touchPart.Name equals humanoid root part, then what we're gonna do is that local character equals to touchPart.Parent. Okay, and local player equals to game.Players get player from character and that character. All right, So now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna access the leaderboard. All right. Okay, now you just have to access the leader stats and the currency you want to change. Okay, so in my case the currency is this local shurikens equals to player dot leader stats. Make sure to spell this leader stats exactly like this or else it won't work. Okay, dot shurikens. Okay, and now I want to increment the value. Shurikens dot value value equals to shurikens dot value plus 1. Okay, 1 shuriken. Okay, so now we'll end this, end this, and end this, and like this it's just completed. It was that simple. Okay, and now let's just test our game. Okay, let's play here and all right, look, here are the shurikens. Right now the value of shurikens, the currency value is 817 right here. Okay, and when we go into this place it will increment. Look, 8, 18, 19 and 20. Boom, it's like that. Okay guys, it was that simple to make, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So please don't forget to like and subscribe for more future videos and tutorials like this, and I promise I'll show you guys how to make the currency system like this. Okay, and alright guys, so see you in the next video, and it's goodbye for now.